Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add tokens to MetaMask. First, open your MetaMask wallet and navigate to the Assets tab. Scroll to the bottom and click Import Tokens. From there, select Custom Token. You'll then need to input the token's contract address. MetaMask will usually autofill the token symbol and decimal places, making the process straightforward. This method is perfect for tokens not automatically listed. To successfully add a custom token, you'll need its contract address. The best place to find this is on a reliable blockchain explorer, such as Etherscan for Ethereum-based tokens. Simply search for the token by its name or symbol. Once you locate it, carefully copy the full contract address. Double-checking this address is crucial to ensure you're adding the correct asset to your wallet and avoiding potential issues. For many popular tokens, MetaMask offers a simpler approach. After clicking Import Tokens, you can often use the search bar to find your desired asset. MetaMask will display a list of recognized tokens. Simply select the one you wish to add, and then click Add Custom Token. This method is much quicker as it bypasses the need to manually input contract details, streamlining your token management. Once you've added your tokens, always double-check that they appear correctly in your wallet. It's also vital to ensure you're connected to the correct blockchain network, like Ethereum mainnet or Polygon, as tokens only exist on specific chains. If you encounter any issues, re-verify the contract address and network settings. And hey, for more great deals and that awesome sock link, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.